when you just fancy something quick, tasty, this nice little pizza recipe might be the one for you. I put a couple of different versions in this. So on with this. The basis of this is the half baguette, Demi Baguette, and the Red Pesto. The topping is your choice. In this case, I've got onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, and a little bit of extra cheese in addition to the normal grated stuff. So just pile these on top of your sliced baguettes and basically pop them in the oven. Now the settings for the oven, very simple, about 200 degrees centigrade, and leave them in there for about 14 or 15 minutes, and they should come out rather nicely. An alternative topping is just to mix together your ingredients. In this case, tuna and red pepper. So we've got the red pesto, tin of tuna, and some sliced red peppers, and then top it with the cheese. I mean, quite frankly, it couldn't be quicker or easier to make a really tasty little meal. And I do think the red pesto makes quite a difference. So, when we're collecting it from the oven, we've got something nice. And there's a serving suggestion for you.